What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be replacing the windshield wiper switch on my 2013 Ford Edge. If you saw my last video about the Ford where I replaced a bunch of little stuff, getting it all dialed and back together, you saw that I showed you the windshield wiper switch here. Now, it is completely broken off, but the original issue is a very common problem among Ford SUVs and probably the cars too. But if you have a Ford Edge or a Ford Explorer, you most likely have had this problem where the windshield wipers just would not turn off. Even if you had the switch all the way off, they would still go every like 20 something seconds or so, as if it was on like that first intermittent setting, even when it was off. And that goes through your wipers pretty quickly, and it's squeaky and annoying. So that is how it ended up getting broken off. We just tried to turn it too far, too hard, like see if maybe we just really cranked down on it, it would turn off. But no, it snapped off. So I'm gonna replace that now. Now this should be a really quick, simple, straightforward fix. So hopefully this will be a quick one. This video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a professional or an expert. I'm just out here getting it done and having fun. I'm going to start by removing these 3 bolts under the steering column. One up in here, one right here, and one under this lever. Everyone I see online also removes these 2 to pull this panel off, but I don't see why that's necessary. I guess I'm about to find out. Once you got all those out and this lever is still down, pull your steering wheel towards you all the way. And then you want to start separating this clamshell. You really only need to do this side. I don't know why everybody else takes the bottom panel off and the other side off. All you have to do is that. Next thing you want to do is rotate your steering wheel 90 degrees. And that exposes the screws for your switch here. The ones you want to remove are these 2 T15 Torx screws right here. Well, the internet said T15, but my T10 fits. And then you give this a pull. Comes right out. Got our nice new one here. And it just plugs right back in. Get your 2 screws back in. And these don't torque down super tight, they're just into plastic, so snug them up pretty good and leave it at that. Now we just clip this back together. Let's test it before I get all the bolts back in. So far so good. Sprayers work. And the rears. Yeah, that one needs some help, but it works. All right, so let's go ahead and get it all buttoned back up. Then you just go ahead and get your steering wheel adjusted back to where you like it. And lock your lever back up in place. As expected, pretty simple, straightforward, quick and easy. This is a very common issue, so hopefully this helped a lot of you guys out. If it did, leave the video a like. Subscribe to the channel for more content, and I will see you guys later. Peace out, and don't litter.